yeah, we get it. Ain't got no fattest in tiny ways. Flows is vicious, the venom is wicked, and that's what be keeping these hoes at bay. Still independent executive, spending a million benches on Hoover, trending no Hoovers, a mention and live in a mansion.
Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm on my way to go and get Ronnie from his house. He doesn't live too far away from me. Hopefully we have a nice clean journey on the way there, not too many people around. We're going over to Rondon's compound. He's got some new jumps built, so we're going to go check those out. But yeah, let me know what you think of the new camera angle. I've got GoPro on my handlebars, GoPro on my chim, so we should get multiple angles as well as the drone. And yeah, I'm just experimenting today to see what it looks like from this angle. Yeah, should be a good one. So I've got to travel about 3.5 miles through the woods to get to Ronnie. Not too far, should be there within 10-15 minutes. But yeah, stay tuned and we'll see what today's ride has in store for us. Today I hope it's not underexposed, but we'll see when I get through the bush. But yeah, I'm so lucky to live so close to this. Sam's bike's almost done. The green powder coated Surron. He went from a budget build to like the most expensive Surron build within like a week, so should be quite interesting. The last part to come, I believe, comes this week, so maybe next weekend we'll get the build video out. Fingers crossed. He's waiting on some suspension. Oh god, it's so muddy. There's actually a lot of Surron riders around these parts where I ride here, which is kind of cool. You get to meet new people, go new places, because this forest that I'm in is actually massive. It's about probably 30 square miles or more. You could ride it all day and not see the same trail twice, which is good. Now with Ronnie, look, new faceplate on his bike at e-bike pot shop. That's so cool. I would get one, but I've got a carbon fibre one. Look, yeah, looking sick. So what we're going to do is now, me and Ronnie, we're going to head to the compound and then get some jumps in. So yeah, we'll see when we get to the compound. We all said there's some new jumps, which is pretty cool. So yeah, we'll see what we can get into. Oh yeah, this looks great. Proper jumps. This one's really steep and short, but the landing's nice and flat, so as you can probably tell, when I land, immediately after I just don't know, it's just my thing, just to do a little power wheelie out of it. But yeah, this one's really short and stumpy. This berm needs some smoothing, but then it'll be goated. This is just, that one's just way too lippy. Hit the big one. Tried a no footer, 1 footer. There was a 1 footer. Let's see if we can keep it going. There is a strong wind, so I want to do the whole entire driveway. Oh, wind! Oh no! Close though. Ronnie's just eating my dust. That was close. Oh. Yeah, so the drone shots you saw at the start, filmed there yesterday. Go on. So this is what's really interesting about the stock Talaria Sting. Ronnie's actually on 32%, but when we left the compound he was on 50 something. So he's used up 20% because we're now traveling at like an average speed of 25 to 30, whereas before we were traveling at a average speed of 10 to 15. So 10 to 15 you get a lot of range out of the stock bikes, but as soon as you start putting more power through, it sucks the battery out so quickly. If you want to use that bike on the road, you're not going to have maybe 15-20 miles, but my bike has only lost 5% in the time that his has lost 20, so it's a great big difference. Yeah, that was a successful one. So this is where I'm going to part ways with Ronnie, because this is the edge of the forest. He's got to go that way, I've got to go that way. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's ride. If you did, drop me a thumbs up, leave me a like and a comment in the comment section below. Please consider subscribing, and we'll see you next week.
Smoke got me talking in Dutch. Appealing business, so what? She leaning on me, I'm a crutch. She creaming on